weather of Utrecht, I will give you a presentation, an explanation about our story from EXISTENTE Amsterdam, Diemen. And we are, I am Eunice, and then my friends, Anna, Edward, Farid, Febrian, Nadia, Ryan, Rudy, Stevens, and Teddy. And they're all sitting there. And today, I would like to talk about our life, and I will give a simple introduction about that. And the next is the cast, who are the stars of the story. And then I will talk about our lives, and our study, and our little bit story about our internship, and not to forget, of course, the fun we have in our city. So let's just start it. We studied in homeschool in Holland, and our major is information technology. You can see our beautiful picture of our building there. We have a nice, colorful building. Well, unlike most buildings in Netherlands are perhaps built with brown, green stone, but we have a nice, colorful building there. Nice, actually. And then we have, of course, we all here for 2 semesters, and we have already finished our first semester, and thankfully with good grades. And then in the first semester, we have courses, we have projects to be done, and then, of course, deadlines to all the projects, and we have exams. And then the courses, you can see there, the first one is Cisco. It is named for computer networking stuff. It is boring, I think. That's why I put a smiley face there, because that is my hope about that courses. I want to be happy learning it, but unfortunately it is so hard. In this courses we have to study about computer networks and how to program a router and so on and so forth. And then we have theoretical exam and also practical exam, which is very hard. And then the next one, we have internet programming, and this courses we learn how to make a web application using ASP.NET C# language. And then the next one is software engineering. In this course, we are divided into groups, and in each group we have to build a software, and the length of the project is in 1 semester. So in the end of the semester we have to deliver our software, and this is really fun because we can pour our creativity in the project, and then we have to deliver the best of it. And the next one is simulation. It is not simulating airplane or something, but it's actually using a simulation software to simulate a real-world problem, such as to simulate the train from London to Colchester and back again, something like that. And the next one is business intelligence, and this is, I think this is a really nice subject, because in this subject we don't really have to learn IT that much, but we also have to learn something about business and how can IT improve the performance of business. And then the last one is international corporate strategy, and it's very not deep in IT, but we learn a lot about business and strategy of a company. And then in this course we have to make a lot of reports, which is sometimes annoying but sometimes really fun too. Part is the second semester, where we have to complete our internship for the thesis project. And there were 10 of us, and we are spread into many cities around Holland. Some of us have our internship in Amsterdam, and then one of us in Almere, Breda, Utrecht, Burmeren, and Rijwijk. It's far away from where we live. Yeah. But it was a lot of fun, and it is now. And then what we do in our spare time, we travel sometimes, but not that lot. Of course we travel around Holland, like Den Haag, Rotterdam, and other cities. And also one of us has gone to Germany, and then a few days after after New Year's, we went to France for a holiday, and it was fun. And I saved the picture for you later. And the next, we went to Belgium. And after that, in our spare time, we also hang out by walking around Amsterdam, because Amsterdam is the capital city of Holland, and it offers a lot of fun things to do, from coffee tasting to, not to forget, shopping, and also many kind of tourist attraction. And we also play, like playing with the snow, glass sister.
Dolls.
Dolls.
What dog?
What kind of dog?
Based on what I have explained, then we have studies to do, we have work to do, but we still have fun. I have a motto for our life in Amsterdam, which is work hard, play hard, and not forget, sleep well. You bored already? No. Okay, because what I've told you previously, it's also it's just introduction. I have to make an excuse because I made the PowerPoint using a song, but apparently this classroom doesn't provide a speaker, so I kind of have to. Okay, this is the real story of our life in Diemen. Work hard, play hard, life EXISTENTE Diemen.
Where is the song?
We don't have speaker here.
We do have people. And we make music.
Yeah, this is the cast of the story. You can see the pictures of each one of us. Very clear. This is that song.
Ini yang paling fotonya.
And this is the life. Yeah, I told you before, we study and then we have work, but still we have a lot of fun to do. And in the end, we just need to sleep well tonight. So that's our motto. And this is a picture of the study live in Holland. You can see there. There's Cisco, ASP.NET, Cobra and then picture over there is actually the Cisco lab. You can see there are too many ports and routers and everything. Yeah. And all of them is because of the deadline. And the work, or the internship. Yeah, we have an internship in different places and with different projects. One of us is doing project in healthcare area, and then other are working, developing some games, and then there's one of us also doing some development in notary software, others in web design, networking, search engine, and also SMS service. So we kind of have different projects in our internship. Next. Yeah, anyhow, sometimes we feel stressed.
Ini semua. Alas. Loveless.